Hi, I'm Savir Damajani, and I'm part of Equinix's Interconnection Product Management team. Today, I'm going to introduce you to some new capabilities for managing user and resource privileges that we introduced with the February 2020 release of ECX Fabric. In this video, I'm going to show you how to provide permissions to a user for managing Layer 3 subscriptions only. In order to create Layer 3 subscriptions in the ECX Fabric portal, the user needs to be provided access to Layer 3 subscriptions, Layer 3 routing instances, and Layer 3 connectors. I'm going to log into the Equinix customer portal to show you how to provide these privileges to a user. I'm now logged into the Equinix customer portal, and this user, Alex Morgan, is an existing user who currently has access to both viewing ports, connection and services, as well as to placing connection and service orders. That means this user currently has complete access to managing all available ECXF virtual resources on your organization's ports. However, when you scroll down to the ECXF virtual resource section, you will see that none of the boxes are checked. So why does the user have complete access in this state? Because this user has the place connection and services orders permission enabled, which applies to the port level, and since no privilege restrictions on any of the virtual resources have been set, they automatically have access to all virtual resources on the ports that they have been given access to. Now, if I want to change this user's permissions from full access on all ECXF virtual resources to limiting their privileges to manage the Layer 3 subscription virtual resource, all I need to do is scroll down to the virtual resource permissions section and select all the boxes for Layer 3 subscriptions, Layer 3 connectors, and Layer 3 routing instances and click on Submit. As you can see, the changes have been saved successfully. This user has now been provided with permissions to manage Layer 3 subscriptions, and these new privileges will be enforced the next time they log into the ECX Fabric portal. Because no other boxes have been checked for any of the other virtual resources, this user will not have access to manage any other virtual resource beyond Layer 3 subscriptions, Layer 3 connectors, and Layer 3 routing instances on any of the ports the next time that they log into the ECXF portal.